So I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna be replacing this rubber bump bolt. And I guess first off, this was from a 96 SS Impala. And I'm gonna see if this length is the same. Now, if you look, this is more like the original with the stripes, with the lines on here. This one don't have that. But no, they both the same size. So guys, what happened here is, see, it ended up ripping trying to get this in here, even though I applied some heat. And yeah, it's in there. Like, it's not gonna just pull out. See that? But by me doing all this work to this car, I want this to be right. So, well, it ain't gonna be right, because actually, guys, what I'm gonna do is, like I did this one to finally get it in there, I'm going to cut. You might not be able to see it because I'm right-handed and I have to cut the way I got this sitting here. But I'm gonna just cut just a little bit of this off of here. And after that, I was able to get that in there. So I'm not shaving a lot of this off, guys, but I did notice after I cut that little bit off, I was able to get this to squeeze through there. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this one out. See, that's not gonna pull out of there that easy, guys. I might have to push it through from the top. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off by trying to punch this out, because look, it's probably just as hard to get this out of here than it was getting it in. Let me see if I can cut it, because it's in there pretty good, guys, I'm telling you. All right, So now I got that out of there. So now see, by me cutting that little bit off, guys, that's slipping up through there a little easier. So okay, so now I'm gonna get me a towel or something, seat cover, and I'm gonna flip this over. This paint is pretty durable, but I still don't want to scratch nothing up. All right, so I want to all right, so I want to take these. I'm going to start by heating this up first, though. So I'm going to stick this in here. And I might be in the camera's way, guys, but gotta try to push this down. There we go. So I done put this thing in a vise. I done put it in a vise and to stabilize it. Now I'm gonna come in and try to heat this up one more time, because it was hard for me to try to press and pull and on all of this with this thing moving around like that. So I'm hoping I don't rip this up. And I thought I ordered more than just one, but I guess it didn't go through. I have to check my bank statement, make sure I only ordered one. They didn't charge me for more than one, but I ordered up a few more because I'm gonna need some for the Wildcat too. So with that, because I might tear this one up too, guys. I got them on my Impala without ripping them. That was years ago, but let me see if I can get these in. without ripping them, guys. Oh, and see, look, I put this in backwards. Put it in backwards, guys. I should have flipped it the other way. Because now, but then this might be good. I might not have to see what I'm doing. This might be better. Yeah, this might be better. Yeah, this might be better, guys. It's pulling through. There it goes. It's pulling through. Alright, so it's pulling through here slowly. Get a smaller screwdriver. Alright guys, I got one side up. Alright, so with the same thing, I gotta get this other side started, and you might not be able to see what I'm doing here. Alright, so I'm actually gonna see if I can flip this over. Make it easier for me to see everything here. Alright. So I'm gonna hit this up just a little bit here. I'm sorry I don't have a lot of room where I can get that camera around here where I want it to be. I just don't have the room, guys. But yeah, now that just popping right into place there, guys. Alright. So I just heated that up just a little bit. Alright, now that bushing is in there. Alright, so now that bushing is in there, both sides. So that bushing is flush. It's on there, guys. Scratch the paint a little bit. Little touch-up paint. Take care of all of that, guys. That's how you put those bushings in, guys. All right.